Working at Mind Studio means that I get to be one of the first people who can use Remy. Remy is a all new way to build AI agents, websites, applications, and whatever you want. I am building a notes app that is Bridgerton themed. This was Remy's first pass based off of just like a little bit of direction from me, and I tried it out. It was working well, but the vibe wasn't quite what I was looking for. I felt this a little too old-timey, not the really matching the opulence of Bridgerton that we all know and love. So Remy is getting to work on updating the design for me, and I'll be back when it is updated. All right, so we just got a little facelift on the app. Looks a lot cleaner, but I think still needs to be much more ornate and fancy. So let's give that instruction. It needs to be more ornate and extra. So we'll give that to Remy and see where it goes. All right, so Remy's told us everything it's done. Done a wallpaper pattern instead of just like that flat background. Gilded double border frames on the notes. And a bunch of other stuff. Great. So I'm happy with this. There's a lot more I can dive into here. I can see the spec that Remy created. We can get into the actual code, the database of all the notes that it's created, and lots more. But I'm gonna just go ahead and publish it. And we will come back when it is all set, and we'll go and create what Remy has called a fresh correspondence, a new note. Okay, it's done. So I just went back to my apps dashboard and set a custom domain. So it's whistledown.msagent.ai, and I'm going to just open that up, and I am in my app. So I've got a fresh correspondence here. We can summon the muse, and it's going to generate some content for us as a prompt. And then we can just go from here. First, whistle down note. So excited. We can write the prompt, that's fine. I saved it, and now it's on the feed. I can burn it if I want to get rid of it, but I'll keep it and just keep creating new notes from there. So check it out. If you are a Bridgerton fan, this is where you're going to want to be doing all your correspondence. Or if you're not a Bridgerton fan, make your own notes app that is Pokemon themed, or whatever is exciting you these days.